You will love the features of this 2023 Kia Sorento Hybrid. With less than 30,000 miles on the odometer, this vehicle provides excellent value. Comfort and efficiency are yours in this rugged Sorento Hybrid. Its family-friendly interior, pleasant ride, solid feel, and desirable safety features will help you make the most of all your adventures. These are just some of the great options this vehicle comes with: Apple CarPlay and/or Android Auto, navigation system, keyless entry, satellite radio, remote engine start, power liftgate, backup camera, fog lamps, heated mirrors, heated front seat. Feel relaxed on every excursion in this thoughtfully designed Sorento Hybrid. Treat yourself to a test drive today. Our staff will toss you the keys and give you an outstanding customer experience.